How to use LawDepot lease agreement templates properly. Beginner mistakes that cost you. LawDepot makes it simple to create lease agreements online, but beginners often make mistakes that can lead to legal disputes or financial loss. The first mistake is skipping state-specific laws. Lease rules differ by state, including security deposits, eviction procedures, and notice periods. Using a generic template without customization can make your lease unenforceable. Always select your state in LawDepot and review local regulations. Another common error is leaving key terms vague. Rent amount, payment schedule, late fees, and utilities responsibilities should be crystal clear. Ambiguity can lead to misunderstandings and potential legal action. Many users forget to address maintenance and repairs. Specify tenant and landlord responsibilities, timelines for repairs, and consequences for neglect. This prevents disputes and ensures the property stays in good condition. Neglecting signatures and witnessing is another pitfall. A lease is not valid until all parties sign it. Some states require witnesses or notarization, especially for long-term leases. Verify local rules before finalizing the document. Finally, some assume the template covers all scenarios. Special conditions like pets, sodetting, or home rules may need additional clauses. Add these specifics to ensure full protection. To use LawDepot lease agreement templates properly, customize for your state, define all key terms, clarify maintenance responsibilities, follow signature requirements, and add special clauses when needed. Avoid these mistakes, and your lease will be legally solid and clear for both landlord and tenant.